for stopping by, and I hope you are doing wonderful as always. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. In today's video, I participated in a Maggie Holmes / spring tag flip swap hosted by the lovely Brittany Pochick in Instagram. So I got my package and I am going to be unboxing what I received from all these wonderful ladies. So here I am with the package that I received from Brittany. She hosted a Maggie Holmes / spring tag flip in Instagram, and this is what I received. So I am just so excited to open this up. To cut time, I just cut it, but I haven't taken a peek. So let's take a look at what I got. Ooh, oh, and I got these. Nice. I'm gonna save, as always, save everything. And okay, let's start. Let's see. So this one, okay. Let's see. Okay. So I got, let me double check everything here. What I got. So I got one. Oh, and then this is another. Oh, how cute. So let's take a look. Look at this first tag. How cute. It's done in a really thick cardstock. I love the banner, the layering, the bling. And it doesn't have a name. And this one, I remember watching Brittany's video, and this is hers. Look at that, how cute. It has a tassel, and look at all this detail and layering. Isn't this cute? It's like a peacock and all kinds of layering. So beautiful. And tickets. And this is done by Brittany. And these are her goodies. Let's see that. Yeah, these are her goodies. Really cute. Then this other one, look at this. How nice. I love it. Oh, so cute. And who made this one? Oh, this is from Veronica. Oh, yeah. And look at her goodies. And this other one is from, I love the French. Hello, you always. It's from Garyle Shepherd. She has an Instagram account. And this is her goodie. Nice, a little bow. And this one is the first one that we saw. So I am going to leave the names of the ladies in the description box below. And this is from, let's see, who is this from? Oh. Okay. Oh. ABC's Wonder, and oh, that's so cute. It's almost like a match box or a match. So cute. And then this purse, I love it. Let me see, who is this from? And it doesn't have a name, but I bet on the back. Oh, Mrs. Everly. Oh, Tina. Oh my, oh no. Oh no, it's from Patty. Oh, so this package is from Patty. It's so cute, like a purse. and some rosettes and some bling. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to continue watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.